Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create floral repeating pattern background in Adobe Illustrator. Draw a vertical line. Use eyedropper tool to pick color. Select line and drag with Alt key for duplicate line. Ctrl D for repeat duplicate line. Go to Object menu and Envelope, Distort and Make with Warp. Style Squeezy. Select Horizontal. Brand -100%. Select anchor points with the Direct Selection tool. Shortcut A. Select anchor points and double click on Scale tool. Uniform 0%. Go to Object menu and expand. Select Object and fill. Outline stroke weight 1 point. Select center point with the rotate tool to rotate. You can rotate with Alt key for duplicate. Rotate 72 degree. Ctrl D for duplicate shape. Go to Object menu and Pattern and Make. Tile type X by row. Click on Done. Draw a horizontal shape. Apply pattern from Searches panel. Use eyedropper tool to pick color. Right click and arrange and send to back. Finally, your floral pattern design is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create vector pattern background design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.